Welcome everyone. On behalf of SubMastery, I welcome you all to this interesting interview with Mr. Saurabh Pandey. This is our wall of appreciation section in which we interact with our learners who have achieved something in their lives. SubMastery is an edtech company which is working for quality professionals in manufacturing, engineering, and automotive sectors. Welcome, Saurabh, and I request you to please
Hello.
introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. Hello ma'am. My name is Saurabh Pandey. I am having 10 year experience in different manufacturing segments like glass industry, steel plant and building material industry. Currently I am working in Saint-Gobain, India Private Limited as a production engineer. I have started my journey from Asian Color Coated. Later I joined Asahi India. Currently I am working in Saint-Gobain. I got to hear about the SubMastery from the online program. I have attended one session like Lean Green Six Sigma awareness course. There I got affected by the way the SubMastery teachers teach me. Later I inquired about the further which course I can attend. So I got to know that there is an ultimate membership course we are starting. So I have just joined that course, and in that course I have learned about the FMEA, ISO audit, IMS audit systems, later TPM champion course, Lean champion course, Lean Six Sigma course. These courses I have completed almost, or I believe 5 to 5 courses remains which I have need to complete. That's what my journey about the
Okay, right. When did you join SubMastery courses, Saurabh?
I have joined in last year March, April.
Last year March. Okay.
2022.
Yes. Okay, 22 March. Okay. Great. And what is your feedback about the? You said that you first attended some awareness course.
Yes.
Right?
I have started my journey from the just awareness. Just I have joined. There is a webinar for the Lean Sigma Green Belt, and I wanted to learn about the Lean Six Sigma. So I have just joined. But in 2-hour session, I got to how they teach. It affected me that there is a very good platform for me for the learning. So I continue my journey further with SubMastery.
Right. Great. And you said you have completed how many courses till now? Of the
15 course, 15 to 16 course.
15 plus courses you have completed. Great. And I just want to know about our coach. What is your feedback about our coach? Because you said you got impressed in the first awareness session program.
Yes, first that was the Alex sir who teaches about the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. But later most of the courses I joined like FMEA, ISO audits and TPM Lean Champion. That is Arun Sharma sir session was also very good. That the way he teaches it's very good. They almost storytelling, all the things they imply their teaching method. That because it's easy to remember the things.
Right. And actually, it is said that technical courses, learning technical things is very boring. Sitting in front of computer and learning it for 2 hours, 3 hours is very boring.
Very good.
But I think the way Arun sir goes about it, he shares his life experiences.
He always imply the practical things in the theoretical portion. So it is easy to understand the things and remember and use the things in your day-to-day work.
Right. Great. And what difference do you find in yourself after you have started learning and acquiring the knowledge?
Before learning, I'm not much confident about the technical things and plant day-to-day working because I am not know about the theoretical portions more because practically we work on the field, but theoretically we were weak and just not confident about them. But after learning the SubMastery, I am now confident that I can work anywhere. If anyone I face interview, I can answer easily what is the thing and how to elaborate the thing. And the best thing about the SubMastery is they also provide the interview sessions and communication skill improvement sessions. Those are also very good. I have always feel improvement in my because I have made my resume after attending the session. I have boosted up my LinkedIn profile after this attending the session.
Okay. Wow, great. And the thing is, SubMastery believes in overall development of an individual. It's not just about technical things, but your soft skills. Yes, your soft skill, your self-management, all these things should be good. Right, great. And like you rightly said, if you're a quality professional, it's not always about just working on field. Paperwork is also very important for quality professionals. Knowing the theory, knowing how to report, knowing how to make papers. All these
Because
things, keeping
ultimately
records. Yes.
data is important. You have to represent that data properly.
Right. Very true. Very true. And how much rating you want to give to the courses or the learning material that you have studied so
Almost
far?
it is 4.8 out of 5. There is still
4.8 out of
small
5.
improvement
Right.
need to in the teaching, but almost it is very good maximum time.
Right. And for the coaches, for the trainers?
5 out of 5 because they are very good coaches.
Right.
When you inquired about anything, they answer very well, elaborate the things. They clear all your doubts in the online session. If you are having any doubts, they clear very properly. That is a good thing.
Yes, I wanted to ask that question only ahead. You have not just attended online sessions, you are learning through recorded sessions also, right?
Yes.
So if you face any doubt in the recorded sessions, have you contacted our team and got any response from them? What do you want to tell about that
Till
response?
yet, I have not contacted, but if there is any issue, because initially I have faced some technical issues, so I have contacted SubMastery team, and they responded me within 24 hours. That's very good. I
Yes.
like it. If I have any query, they respond properly. Even I have got a call from the SubMastery team that my query has solved or not. So it is very good. They are very responsive.
Right. And I'm assuring you that if you face any problem related to your studies, that time also you can get in touch and you'll get a
Yes,
feedback
I
and
am
you'll get a
confident. I'm confident for that they will help me if I face an issue.
yes, great. And how has the learning helped you? If you want to tell me, I mean,
Learning.
increased confidence level is one part, but have your seniors or your colleagues noticed you because of the knowledge you have or something of that sort, or maybe some promotion or something of that sort?
Okay. Actually, my office, my colleagues are giving me like IMS audit preparations, documentation preparation. Previously, I was not doing that activity, but currently I am doing that activity because when my seniors told me to prepare these documents, I don't need support from too much them. I just prepare with myself because I have knowledge about the how to prepare the documents. So that is helping me a lot. So do not go to that my seniors so that I want to understand how this document is prepared because I know how it is prepared. So I am preparing easily this thing.
Right. Great. So, if you want to recommend the SubMastery courses to any of your colleagues or friends, will you recommend or what?
Yes, I have already recommended. One of my friend has called me once, so I recommended him this.
Okay.
So it is very good platform that people can reach to SubMastery and improve their skills. Not only technical, like that, there is communication skills, census, interview preparation sessions, so they can attend that and it will provide them overall improvement.
Yes. Many a times what happens is the people who are always on the field, I think their interpersonal skills and their soft skills are ignored sometimes.
Many times, not sometimes, I can
Yes.
say that.
Yes, so I think this is a good platform to improve your technical as well as interpersonal skills together. Right.
Yes,
So
no doubt about that.
Yes. So my last question is, do you want to give any message to our learners who are and who have already enrolled in SubMastery courses or who want to enroll for the courses? Any message for them?
I want to say about all the learners that you just join the SubMastery and see the results. Don't think that it is like any other platform that you pay me and you will not get results. If you pay here, you will get the results, and it is very reasonable too. As per the knowledge, I can say that the knowledge which we gain through SubMastery, you cannot pay in money. That is the thing. So you just join and see the results, then you can found what you have got.
Right. I think the contribution of the edtech is less, and the person who is learning or the learner, he has to put 100% of his efforts in learning. Taking subscription of some course won't make you knowledgeable.
You have
Putting
to give
in your efforts is also important.
Also important. You just have to give effort.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Saurabh, for your time, and we wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you so much.